Baby adu se see no. Amanfo spend o musika koto moto ni bia o mo de ye adwuma. They will not park these motorbikes in the house of Abraham for adwuma. Eno ko da nchen a. Ghana ya kwan no such that say o ko baby na o ya ye later. The only option so be use Okada. They are buying Uber, so now say Okada will come. Trust me, you'll be very unpopular. Okada. Probably means why you Okada so.
Now no grab me. I'm saying me. That Adra. None of come once.
A big problem. Ghana. By government be anywhere near a say obetimi answer. Okada no majuma no moye no. The reason is say so wopa o call buruchiri. Now I talk check in by best at 3 p.m. Now what free now the traffic now by 30 minutes times they went through airport or by mess of flight. Now the only option for you to go near your Okada. That's when you see Okada no
also.
Now my me personal experience that me be a chum.
All right, Dana.
Ghana I na me mfumo because I am suru. Maybe they are very unsafe say ni better motor so na na. Ntina me tu kwan. Na me tu kwan na pe na every time we check in no say na aba animu me ta de continue come am ke me check ma ticket awie nti me kwa me drew ba bia Ghana dan be that thing pa one what is saying ko mall ho na Accra mall side ho no say dan Villaggio side ho no na me frɛ obi na me nim no wo emre to say time be no mo close o say aka 15 minutes pe na me say they say na o mo check in intem na me heba bia me wo any traffic na me di mu na
enya dia
30 minutes been through and I was going to India. What do I do? Me wa bag mienu e da boot ho to ho na me bag na ya me checking back me carry on no
yeah
me fabo machi na me kai da one say on tumika na omra airport that na terminal 3 mai
all right
na terminal 2 me ho na first na wo kwa na me gina Okada obi a me Okada no na me gina Okada na me frotena so na me so on kan ho me ko airport na
really
me catch driver and say on fa me bag no emra airport wo na me timi ka no wuro mu nti ye dru ho na aka 5 minutes no ma be close you know nti wana pe na me de me passport ko ma nipa no nti obo me di o ya na me se me patcho me ba wa me ba na me tumi ka me ko washroom ho so ko me passport no
yeah
nti no se me ba ya won't because of close
no kure
na me ne driver no communicate wo phone so what do he I don't make what do he say that me about traffic no nti me late be say 15 minutes nanka counter ni koma close ba na me say okay me passport I have to check him in na me ka jom say me yam nti me washroom nti obedu ani mo na me pie na me di me kana o de bag na buy and o check me in so be ade say na Okada ni ho a that day no I would have missed my flight.
You have missed it.
So from that day I started seeing the importance of this Okada job.
Ghana people.
The idea baby adu se see no amanfo spend o musika koto moto ni bia o mo de ye adwuma. They will not park these motorbikes in the house of Abraham for adwuma. Eno ko da nchen a Ghana ya kwan no such that say o ko baby na o ya ye later. The only option so be use Okada. They are buying Uber, so now say Okada will come. Trust me, you'll be very unpopular.
But say we say they are trying to.
So my ideas be now or I don't fan kawe.
All right.
Oko area be na guest associations wo ho. Nte bia kwa benya any domains are constituency no be na every 200 something constituencies. Constituency be not one Okada association wo ho. So it could be say one person can be the chairperson of that association. Obi bia na o manage Okada within that constituency no. You have to go to this association, become a member, have their ID card. Na umoto no yemfa number bi mo ho ase wo far away kwa bi hu se assume say okwe no or belong to this association. So I just say you Uber driver. Na amanfo nya ho complain the kwa pe Uber for no app no untim sign into it again. You will have the car but you cannot use it to do the Uber. Nti obi on motorbike na se nipa ni misbehave e bi kwa make on traffic ma when you traffic red light. Na okobu obi or the saying
driving mirror.
Number maybe a trade numbers no easy so between two team. Onya frɛ na ka sɛ obi de bi moto say onya bo share system be hu say association we na wo. So you end up losing that mandate or the year Juma or
Sure.
You will have your motorbike, but won't even fan for because we need identification who belong to any organization. So we have 275 constituencies. Constituency beyond are buying any one association for all the people within that jurisdiction. No money in register. Obama more special T-shirt. Atade on special and say different color. Different design, whatever it is. Now more different tag be a motorbike and where people can see and report. A banner sana, all regulating they will begin to behave well. All the red lights are on chum. No is on your chum and report on the power. Baby, no way, man. You begin it. To understand now, no, among Russia, because why they don't stop at the red light because police for the chum. So you know, opportunity.
Yeah.
Because among us, no money riding license, and all you be ready. But I make our association be more before association by general Yajo Ghana card ahead. Yajo driving license ahead. Yamuso will be a winning Majumano. The China be no mistake be easy to be attract you.
That's a nice suggestion.
I'm telling you that the government can do this at the money way in here 5 months. Within 2 months, you'll be able to do it. Every constituency be any creative association back or be outside jurisdiction, you must belong to the association. T-shirt one of it yaka. You make sure you driving license. Your man will be a baby to say tagger or won't know who won't mean why is be a metal or bit me a screw a boom. Baku burning baku butchery. Or you mistake far away they can see and report you. Trust me, within 2 months, Okada a Jumano a best streamline.
Nana ever say, but back to the Galamsey.
So going back to Galamsey, the same principle. The government cannot stop Galamsey. You can only regulate it by streamlining it. Now, they will not stop. Why are they 1 month and they will go back to the place? So making sure say. Site we no kwa said the omaye san kuruma kwa we go I so chen go yi
no na serious
at the check so chen we no say we say what dey show bi nsa and akohu we ya you jail the person who is in charge of this okona ko excavator na ko she na ono no wonya better gold 10 baht 10 uni 1 baht biabo gold 1 kilo bi say $107,000 1 kilo of gold. And I'm checking $107,000. You see this dollars.
Wow.
What about Ghana saying the best 1.4 million Ghana cedis? Until the question I do ya. Oh no. Why you do my best 4 years or best tell them to know about 20 or China. So don't go there and then start banning this. What when you say mine when you will be there.
No, even as we speak now, so I'll port on one. I will be a chico portal. Now I'll share. Excavators by
Ghana. Excavator apart from the construction work, but the government allows this to come in, and then the people begin to use it wrongly. Then we blame the people. And excuse me, you better teach your boys now or no obey you may be 1,000 2,000. Nippon Casano says I mind which you channel. See, our people are not using their own God-given talent. In geopolitics,
okay.
Okotse Mexico, drug cartels, no. Tag, they will not stop. So we are president now say we will be good. What I want buy no subsidy.
Reason being,
the reason is they have power. Corrupt all the police structure they will now kana wono ye MP no before say go stand no. Almost support to sika. More information against you. No man say wo Jimmy awo ye beti oto. Nti aban bia na obeba Mexico no. Colombia and those undi omoye. They will make sure say bia cartels no ye bia be 20 and a one kran ha ye adwuma. Ombe make sure say ombe yi obi oyo mo leader. So among all the 20 cartels na we ha no. Ye yi leader. Wono government kra na omo shia eye meetings. There I'm telling you this here. I have studied geopolitics and I know I'm telling you. The drug cartels and Nankasa now mono the illegal no. The government sit down with them and tell them say yem pese munkrofo be abonde kunkrofo. Yem pese gang we ahia na omo kokoko mo ho. We have given you the territory for you to monitor and manage it. Wonnim na ye hu chaos bia na we will come for you. The government knows say so okay say now chichi omu nyina na they will start shooting people anyhow. So they make sure say cartel for ni bi tenase e discuss who say make sure say ube manage omo they will not go beyond their boundaries ya mpese omo to rough near you know now the terrain where you're terrain now you can manipulate it, you can manage there. They make anybody who knows geopolitics know what I'm talking about. And in things I also about the Google I'm saying you cannot stop it. You can only replace it with something better. Did you na no necessary oh you o dan e nika crabby like I'm saying nsuo mu de should be zero. Memo bia anya mine and I be nsuo ho. Your reserve forest no memo bia anya mine ho. They are banning the mana the area ha na be make the whole area ha nyina nipa mienu and manage wells na wa ha na. Such people so obi free mo nche na mo forest no mu a they will come and report to you. Because what you almost say this area ni nyina na ye wo and the hell sir. Ye ba na obi bensu ho a wo na benya asem. Enya nkra na omo ye adwuma no. Nipa na ono ya big man na ono na manage bibia no.
Ono kura concession no.
Concession wo na benya asem. Nti ono be make sure say and boys need ti omo. Because ono na ti omo ka. Omo na to go do from nsem. Nti omo man instruction na omo be fast wo aban no. So Chene say if this is your concession me ban man for air mismanaging no man. But
Nana, the problem here is that security forces no call air sites in the crown coche air one more sites now two galam say now. They are very reluctant say penyin pa na ode djuma na mo no omo yina ma omo tanyi omo penyin for na ma.
No they say mining concession no. Oko aye baby aye register omo na. You know the name on that documentation.
But the illegal miners ne there. Say concession ne there enfa mo nti na ewia no mo wia.
No, they do an say concession na da ho no. Gold wo so. E obi dia. Obe kom no. Nipa no na atwitwa man krofo mo ye illegal mining wo so. Once ultimate 25 acres.
All right.
The ono ne dia. And on one machines be or dey no dey ama illegal for no mo ye ho adwuma didi nti no o charge o mo ho. Nti of course our concession na so be ya you should go to the owner. Nipa na the man no go and hold